Welcome back to Speed Car Mania. Dacia has established a reputation for manufacturing affordable and reliable vehicles. The 2025 Dacia Bigster 4x4 builds upon this foundation, targeting adventure enthusiasts and families seeking versatile transportation. This model diverges from Dacia's conventional simplicity, adopting a more modern and assertive design. The Bigster's exterior is characterized by a bold, muscular structure complemented by Y-shaped LED headlights and a prominent front grille, which enhance its road presence. Wide wheel arches, durable plastic protective elements, and high ground clearance underscore its off-road capabilities, making it well-suited for challenging terrains. Consistent with Dacia's minimalist design philosophy, the Bigster eliminates excessive chrome elements, prioritizing functionality. Measuring 4.6 meters in length, it is the brand's largest SUV, offering enhanced interior space and practicality. The cabin features premium materials, providing ample legroom for rear passengers. A fully digital instrument cluster and an advanced multimedia system, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, further enhance user convenience. Additionally, the incorporation of recycled materials reflects Dacia's commitment to environmental sustainability. While complete engine specifications have not yet been disclosed, anticipated options include a 1.3L turbocharged petrol engine, TC140 or 160 horsepower, and a hybrid powertrain, 1.6L petrol engine with an electric motor. Both front-wheel and all-wheel drive variants will be available, with the 4x4 system enhancing off-road performance. Maintaining its affordability strategy, Dacia is expected to price the Bigster competitively, with an estimated starting cost of €25,000 to €30,000, positioning it as an attractive option within the SUV segment.